Hello beauty people, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can disable speech recognition in Windows 11. So now I will show you 3 steps how you can disable this feature. So first step, we are going to our search bar and here search for settings. And now I am going to open this settings. Okay, now on the left panel here you can see accessibility, just click on that, and on the right side just scroll down and here you can see speech, just click on that. Now scroll down and Windows speech recognition is enabled, that's why it's showing, so just disable this, just click on that. Okay, now I will show you second step how you can disable this. So for that, just go to the left panel, here you can see privacy and security, just click on that, and on the right side just click on speech, and here you can see it's currently on, so just disable this. Okay, now I will show you third step how you can disable this. So for that, just search for control panel, open this control panel, and here search for speech recognition. So this is the speech recognition, just click on that, and on the left panel here you can see advanced speech option, just click on that. Okay, now it's currently runs speech recognition at startup, it's enabled currently, so just untick this and click on apply, and okay. So this is the 3 step you can disable speech recognition feature in Windows 11. So if this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.